All right, time to take a look at the Amazon Basics 24-pack cotton washcloths in gray. Okay, so they do come fully sealed, which is great. We do have a nice sewn edge on here, and it looks like a fairly good material. It's not super thick, but it doesn't really have to be. What I'm going to be using these for mostly is going to be folding it like this, and that way I can clean off the steamer on my espresso machine. So this is going to be a perfect size and a perfect color for that. And as you can see, we have quite a few of them here. So 24 of these things, this is going to last a long time. And I do like that they're full cotton. They're going to be machine washable, so as soon as I wipe it off, I can just go throw that in the washer. So even if I don't wash the laundry that often, I'm still going to have plenty of them left over. Do not want rancid milk staying on here. And as long as you clean it up every time you use it, that'll stay in good condition. So let's enjoy this. Oh, wow. I'm in heaven.